Hey there. Welcome to my project room and my project for 2025. It's a quad recycle that I sourced off Aliexpress a few months back, and I've made a little bit of project progress on it. Um, as you can see, my project space is also my living room, and I literally eat, sleep, and breathe building this damn thing at this time. Don't mind the cat. That's Sylvester. There's another cat around here somewhere. Anyway, he's the co-guest of the video. Um, this is a fairly intensive part of the project. The rear carrier assembly is completely fabricated by myself. It actually serves multiple uses. It's a fairly rigid uh, carrier that mounts to the rear frame that carries the two batteries. The two batteries are going to be going to a common feed for the BBS HD 1000 motor that is going into this thing. As well, the batteries will be supplying the electricity to the various electrical accessories on the bike. Um, the carrier also serves the role of holding a wiring box, which is that checker plated portion underneath, and it's accessible by the whole tray sliding out. Um, I'm not going to demonstrate that, but if you'll imagine, just disconnect tail lights and slide the whole assembly off. And that's the ultimate in modularity. Um, in terms of the front end, uh, I'm playing with a uh, computer kind of device. Forgive the dust on it, it's been on there that long. And I just got some switchgear preliminarily placed on the handlebars. Front end, I'm not entirely happy with. I'm going to be looking at that as a further project goal of improving, but working with what I've got there right now. Now, another kind of customization I'm doing to this is I hate exposed wiring. And as such, I have made some panels to fit on the side of the frame, and those panels carry wiring boxes. It'll be utilizing the space that is commonly shared inside of the frame to throw as much of the wiring that I don't care to cut off in there, along with any other electrical devices that I need to hide. Um, 5 1/4 inch, 5 1/4 inch or 5 3/4 inch headlight assembly, LED. That's a proper motorcycle headlight. Now, that's my first attempt at correcting the steering on this thing. I've both gusseted the central weld section on both sides, the steering uh, arms, and I've also extended out uh, the A-arm pivots. Um, they were too short as they came, so I had to do the next best thing and extend out the bracketry. I might have to revise that one more time. I'm not really happy with what it's doing in terms of the steering. Anyway, that is the project so far. Um, the cat is kind of getting in my way, so I'm going to have to sign off here. Anyway, stay tuned. Take care.